Remove 19 mil on the bottom. End link 14 wrench. Brake cable. Unclip it. In the back there's a 5mm Allen key to hold it in place. 4 12mm. Undo all that. The whole thing should drop. Get the end link out. Twist it until it pops free. See that? There's an Allen key right here to hold it in place if it's not coming out. For install, this dot face the back of the vehicle. Remove the end link. 5mm Allen key. 14mm nut. The two 19mm socket. And then the caliper line. Remove everything. Come loose. On top, 3 14mm bolt. Remove the 14mm nut first. Undo the brake line. 2 19mm bolt. 3 14mm. Remove everything. When you put it back, end link going first.